What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ed the Enthusiast, back with another video. Man, today I got a good surprise that came in today. It was for an early B-Day present for me, so let's check it out. I got me some Ark Downpipes for my Kia Stinger. Man, I'm about to unbox this, see what they look like. I'm already ready to install them, so let's check it out. Now let's open this box up and see what these downpipes looking like. Now I ordered these from Khartunerz.com. I ordered these on Monday, and I received them today, which is Thursday, so nice quick shipping. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. Nice packaging. I'm gonna take it out and see what they look like. I just took one out and kept the other one wrapped up, but here's a look at the downpipe. Nice stainless steel finish. Very good welding on there. Man, I'm ready to install these bad boys. On this side. A nice add-on to my car. Can't wait to install them. Alright guys, this is just a little unboxing of my downpipes that I just got. Just a little birthday gift to myself. Y'all stay tuned for the install, and we're gonna get some revs and see how it sounds. But other than that, y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel, and y'all stay tuned for the next video. Can't wait. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ed the Enthusiast, back with another video, and today is that day. Finally getting the downpipes put on my car. As you can see, it's a little rainy outside, but we're not gonna let that stop us from putting the downpipes on today. As you can see, they're ready to go in the back. About to head to my boy Ramon's to get them installed. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Made it to my boy Ramon's. Let's get these downpipes put on. All right, guys, we got one downpipe off. You see the one on the left right here is the old downpipe. Here on the right side is the new downpipe. My boy Ramon installing the passenger downpipe, and after that we'll go to the other side. All right. Good. One more time. getting on the freeway, the downpipes, they sound pretty good compared to stock. It's a little bit louder. I mean, when I get an exhaust, then for sure, you know, it'll sound way louder than what it is. But it's pretty much, it's faster. You can feel the speed compared to when the stock ones were on there. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Also, I'll have another mod coming soon, so y'all stay tuned. I'm out.